Welcome to my channel. The Monkey and the Moon. Once upon a time, there was a mischievous monkey who loved playing on others. One day, he noticed the bright and shining moon in the sky. The monkey, being curious, decided to challenge the sun in a race. As the race began, the moon jumped from tree to tree, reached the moon. But no matter how hard he tried, he could not catch up. Exhausted and tired, the monkey realized he could not beat the moon's speed. Moral of the story: now your limitation, act wisely. Thank you for watching.